Is your entity in the construction sector and need a BEE verification? This is what you need to know to build your knowledge on BEE ratings. Did you know there are two classifications in the construction sector? Firstly, BEP means Built Environment Professionals. This includes entities conducting the planning, designing and costing of the construction projects in the built environment. Few examples are architecture, project management and quantity surveyors. Secondly, contractors. These entities are involved in some of the following activities such as steelwork, electrical installations in buildings and landscaping. This also includes construction material suppliers. Herewith are the different thresholds according to each classification. Firstly, affidavits. BEP entities with an annual turnover between 0 to 1.8 million rand and contractors with an annual turnover between 0 to 3 million rand can complete the construction sector affidavit. Secondly, EME certificates. BEP entities with an annual turnover of 1.8 to 6 million rand and contractors with an annual turnover of 3 to 10 million rand can obtain an EME certificate. EME entities are required to comply with the 40% sub-minimum target for skills development to avoid being discounted by one level. If an EME entity wants to enhance their BEE level by 1 or 2 levels, they must obtain full points for the skills development and/or obtain full points for supply development. Thirdly, QSE ratings and automatic BEE status levels. BEP entities with an annual turnover between 6 to 25 million rand and contractors with an annual turnover between 10 to 50 million rand qualify for a QSE certificate and will be rated on a QSE scorecard. Entities in these thresholds with 51% or more black ownership can obtain an automatic construction rating. Entities that are verified as an automatic construction is required to comply with at least 40% of the QSE skills development target to avoid being discounted by one level. If an automatic construction entity wants to enhance their BEE level by 1 or 2 levels, they must obtain full points on the QSE scorecard for skills development and/or obtain full points on the QSE scorecard for supply development and procurement. Lastly, generic enterprises. BEP entities with an annual turnover of more than 25 million and construction contractors with an annual turnover of more than 50 million rand will be required to be rated according to the generic scorecard. It is important to keep in mind that no points can be allocated to the skills development element to EME, QSE and generic enterprises that did not submit a workplace skills plan and annual training report to the relevant SETA on the 30th of April each year. WSP and ATR submissions are extended to the 30th of May 2020. Develop your knowledge towards your construction sector verification and SANA's accredited certificate.